Imagine working 40 hours a week, maybe even 50. You've got a degree. You're responsible. You do everything right. So why does it still feel like you're falling behind? Wait, maybe it's just you, right? Or maybe, and stay with me here, the entire middle class is quietly disappearing, and no one's saying it out loud. This isn't a conspiracy. This is economic reality in 2025. And if you're not watching carefully, you might get crushed without ever seeing it coming. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening and how to escape before it's too late. Back in the 1950s, one job could buy you a house, feed a family of 4, and still leave room for vacation. Fast forward to now, 2 incomes and you're barely keeping your head above water. Inflation is up, wages are flat, rent has doubled in some cities, and eggs, they cost more than steak used to. And don't even get me started on avocado toast. At this point, it's either breakfast or your rent. Over 60% of Americans now live paycheck to paycheck. Credit card debt just smashed through $1.3 trillion, and the average savings account, less than $5,000. This is not sustainable. We are living in what economists are calling the middle class collapse. And here's the scary part. Most people don't even realize they're in it. So let's test it. Ask yourself these 5 questions. Do you trade time for money but never seem to have enough of either? Is your only income source your job? Do your expenses magically grow every time your salary goes up? Are you saving but not investing? Do you secretly hope crypto or the lottery might save you? If you said yes to most of these, you're not alone. You're just stuck in the middle class trap. And don't worry, this isn't a guilt trip. We've all been fed the same script. Go to school, get a job, buy a house, retire at 65. But here's the truth. That script was written in the 1950s, and it stopped working decades ago. So let's talk about what actually works in 2025. The rich don't work harder. They work differently. They don't sell time. They buy assets. They don't rely on one paycheck. They build income streams that flow 24/7, even while they sleep. They don't follow the system. They own the system. Here's a crazy stat. Just 10% of Americans now own 89% of all US stocks. It's not just that they know something you don't, it's that they did something you didn't. But here's the good news. You can still catch up. And here's exactly how. Ready to break out? Start with these 5 moves. Step 1, stop acting rich. Cut lifestyle creep. New cars, designer clothes, $6 lattes. They won't save you. The wealthy look rich on their balance sheets, not on Instagram. Step 2, save your first $1,000 emergency fund. Not someday, this month. Because without cash on hand, every small problem becomes a big disaster. Step 3, invest a fixed amount every single month, even if it's just $50. Here's the secret. Time matters more than amount. Wait too long, and you lose the one thing money can't buy back. Compound growth. Step 4, hustle. Blogging, affiliate marketing, print on demand. You don't need to be a genius, just consistent. Millions of people are making more from their laptop at night than they do at their day jobs. Why not you? Step 5, buy real assets. Dividend stocks, REITs, digital products, online businesses, assets that pay you instead of drain you. Because here's the truth. The middle class dreams of security. The wealthy buy freedom. Which one do you want? Now let's expose the 3 lies that keep people broke. Lie number 1. College guarantees success. Reality? It guarantees student loans. Degrees are everywhere. Skills are rare, and the market pays for skills, not paper. Lie number 2. Buying a house is always smart. Not if you're drowning in a 30-year mortgage with no cash flow. Your home is only an asset if it pays you back. Lie number 3. A job is secure. Tell that to the thousands laid off by email last year, or the workers replaced overnight by AI. Security doesn't come from a paycheck. It comes from ownership. These lies are profitable for everyone but you. The system doesn't want you rich. It wants you productive and predictable. But you don't have to stay stuck. By 2030, there won't be upper, middle, and lower class anymore. There will only be owners and workers. Which side will you be on? You can keep living paycheck to paycheck, or you can build something that buys back your freedom. And in the next video, I'll walk you through 3 digital side hustles that anyone can start, even if you're broke, busy, and have 0 tech skills. So hit that subscribe button now, because every single day you wait is another step closer to the truth.